just don't go away. There is no reason to stop, we just have to find another way. No matter how hard we try, there are things that we can't prevent. There is no reason to stop. Sometimes life just happens. To cause and sense and foreseen, unavoidable things they seem. Don't stop trying, just make him better. Never give up, never surrender. Till out of the blue, it can happen to me and to you. Time and opportunity is overcome adversity.